Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2026. I am here at Governor's Creek, and this is an inspection and possible before video of Nu Latitude. So this boat is a very on the cusp boat between being maintenance and being an hourly. If I do end up cleaning this, I am going to make sure that it does not take me over an hour to clean this or an hourly rate. But this is the last time that I'm going to be able to clean it, knowing that we are getting into even warmer weather. So I'll go ahead and clean it now, but if we wait another 2 months, it's definitely going to be an hourly.